Manager, Mike Moore. Mike, do you want to tell us a little bit about all of the activity happening in this neighborhood? You've got a lot of new construction happening, I see.
April, this area is blown up. Brand new community. We've got a new phase that's just under development right behind us. We've got about 10 home sites remaining in the current phase, and we're just excited for the move that's happening out here.
Yeah, absolutely. Lots of activity out here. What's the price point in this neighborhood?
We range in the 230s up to the 330s.
Okay.
And
yeah, that's
exciting.
nice.
Lowest prices in Dallas-Fort Worth.
Absolutely. And the commute. Can you give people an idea of where we're located and kind of what the drive time is?
We're right off the 175, 35 miles from downtown Dallas.
Okay.
Easy commute. It probably takes about 30 minutes to get here, probably to and from.
Absolutely. And do you have any current incentives or promotions that we want to talk about today?
Great incentives, monies that we can utilize in the design center room, design color room, or we can use that money towards financing with our preferred lender.
Our preferred lender, absolutely. And who is your preferred lender in this neighborhood?
Our preferred lender is American Southwest Lending.
Okay, so Billy Holden with American Southwest.
Yes.
Perfect. The great thing about Kingsport and Kaufman is that we really have a floor plan that suits any family, right, Mike?
Absolutely. We're square footage on the homes range from 1,600 square feet to 3,000 square feet. So we have first-time home buyers. We have people that are retiring, maybe purchasing their last home. Who knows?
Right, and you've got some new development coming on board with elementary schools, so really perfect for families also, right?
Absolutely. With Kingsport, as you'll see on the map here, there is a lot of new development. All of this is actually part of Kingsport, even the commercial part that backs to 175, and it leads into where we're located on the backside of the community. There's a future park that's to be built here within about a year, and a new elementary school that should be integrated as well.
Okay.
So Pam, you were the first homeowner to move into our community.
That's right. It was kind of fun and kind of scary all at the same time. There was nobody out here but me, my husband and I.
And that was in April?
No, it was actually March the 5th of this year, 2020.
Fantastic. And tell us about the experience since you've moved in. How's it been for you guys?
Well, it's actually been really fun because I had retired several years ago, and you get bored when you retired. So I had lots of things to look at and lots of workers that I visited with and took cookies to, and learned a lot about music as they were building the houses, and never was a bother because we were out here by ourselves, so it was kind of fun when all the guys showed up to start working on houses.
So what was it about Kingsport that drew you in, or
well, that's an easy question to answer because there hadn't been a new development in Kaufman in like 20 years plus. Mm-hmm. And so we were tired of driving back and forth from out in the country, and you wouldn't think that's a big deal. It's only 4 or 5 miles. But if you have to come to town to pick up grandkids at the daycare, pick up groceries, or get something to eat, I mean, it's 5 miles in, 5 miles out, and that took up a lot of our day. And the fact that we lived on an acre out there, my husband and I are retired. We were not supposed to spend every day cutting down shrubs and trees and mowing and weed eating and keeping your yard up and doing all the things on a great big house like we had out there.
So now you guys have a lot of time, a lot more time to do what you want to do.
We do, and we've spent it fixing our new yard up, which is very manageable because it's a smaller lot and that sort of thing. I know there are larger lots out here, but we liked the small lot, and we haven't regretted it one day. The first time I sent my husband to Walmart to pick up 2 or 3 things, and he got back to the house in about 5 or 6 minutes, I'm not lying. I said, "What'd you forget, your wallet?" Because he's done that. And he goes, "No, I got the groceries and I'm back." And I was like, "No way." And he said, "Yeah, it's 1 mile." And I was so excited. So we have a lot of grandkids and great-grandkids, so we're going to have a park soon, so there's going to be a place for them to play. There are a lot of plans for retail in the area in addition to the Walmart. So we're excited about the growth out here, and we meeting lots of people. I've tried to meet every person that moved into a new house, and I mean, I don't know, they may be talking about me. They may be thinking I'm getting busybody.
Well, we just encourage everybody to come out and give us a visit. Okay, so here at Kings Fort, we've got some fantastic inventory. We have one that's going to be ready in December. It's 3,000 square feet. It's the Dewberry 2 media room, perfect for a family, and gorgeous finish out. It's got the tile floors that look like wood completely downstairs, lots of upgrades, and gorgeous. I'd love for people to come out and take a look at it. And it only takes us 6 months' time on average to build a home here.
Yeah, so if you are looking to move, not now with the hustle and bustle of the holidays, but you want to be thinking about moving before school starts next fall, I think now's the time to come out and start having those conversations with Mike.
Absolutely.
So to get to Kings Fort, if you have Google Maps, type in Bloomfield Homes at Kings Fort and it'll bring you right to our model. Thank you for joining us today at our new community, Kings Fort in Kaufman.
We're excited to have you guys come out and visit us. Hope everybody has a fantastic Thanksgiving, and come on out and gobble up the savings with us.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble.